Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, guys. And let's say you're trying to open the trunk release, use the button or even the remote, and the trunk does not open, guys. We'll explain what fuse you need to check, guys, for that. It's a common issue, and if it's not the fuse, you may have a problem, guys, with the trunk release, and we'll have a video on the channel that explains how to replace that one as well. Quick introduction, guys. Every car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos, including this generation Dodge Dart. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys want to save even more money on car parts, tools, anything like that, pretty much anything, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get every component, every part for our cars for a really good price and fast shipping as well. Now, you guys have, okay, let me open the hood. Hold on a second, let me open the hood. Now, you guys have three different fuse boxes, okay, three different fuse boxes in your car. And we'll be working on the inside. Now, this is a 2015 model, this is the fuse box, the main fuse box here. And if the trunk doesn't open, okay, we're working on this Dodge Dart, but if the trunk doesn't open, we'll explain what you need to check. So, let me come now. Okay, we have things taken apart here. Okay, so we can actually show you a few things, but let me show you something. Okay, you will have that cover. Okay, that cover will be installed right here, and you will have the trunk release here. And if it doesn't work, okay, we will explain which fuse you need to check. The fuse for that, guys, it's fuse number 32. And this is, guys, the BCM fuse located on the BCM module. Okay, right there. This is your BCM module. Now, how you get to it, you have to remove that cover. Otherwise, you won't be able to get to it and you won't be able to replace that fuse, guys. If you want to see how to do that, check out the video. It's called Dodge Dart fuse box location and how to get to them. And it will explain, guys, okay, in that video how to remove that cover, but don't want to waste your time now watching that unless because you may already know how to do that. So, looking at it now, guys, okay, we're going to pull those wires to the side, and if you guys need replacement fuses, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get them for a super good price, fast shipping as well. Looking at it now, guys, okay, we're going to come on the very left row right here, very left row, and you have one fuse on top, then the second one, okay, that's fuse number 32. This fuse right here, guys, this 10M fuse is the one, okay, this fuse is actually the one for the trunk release. Okay, let me point at it again. Okay, this fuse right there, this is the fuse for the trunk release. So if the trunk release is not working, guys, check that fuse. That 10M fuse is the one responsible for it, and if you need to replace it, just grab it with the puller, pull it and replace it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.